welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Bliss. How you guys doing? That's good. If you are new tuning in, let me give you a warm welcome. I'm so glad that you decided to stop by and check out today's video. It is such an honor to have you drop by. I highly encourage that you join this tulip pasture. It's absolutely free. Click that bell's notification, so that you can stay alerted of new videos that are released. I would love to have you be a part of this tulip pasture. It's absolutely free. Just hit that subscribe button. Simple as that. Then hit that bell's notification so that you will be updated or alerted of new videos that I release. I typically release videos every Wednesday and Sundays. And give this video a great big thumbs up. Please show your support. I greatly appreciate it. So let's go ahead and let's jump right into it. I know that by the thumbnail, you guys already know what today's video is all about, but I'm so excited about it, you guys. I'm so excited. It came in the mail last week. Last week was like last week of February. It came in the mail. I did order it from online. If you want to know specifically where online I ordered it, we'll have that information down in the description box below for you. But I am speaking of nothing other than the Wonder Grow Jamaican Black Castor Oil. Okay, you guys, so you know that I've tried the Wonder Grow Indian Hemp, and I took you guys along with me on my journey in using that particular hair grease, and I'll share with you guys what my final thoughts are about it. Even though at the end I kind of had mixed emotions about that particular hair grease in the Wonder Grow line, I'm super stoked about the Jamaican Black Castor Oil. So you guys know that I am on a journey to grow healthy hair growth, coming from a tapered hairstyle and growing that out and things of that sort. So I thought it was only right that I go ahead and give the Jamaican Black Castor Oil hair grease a go. So what you should know, you get a 12-ounce jar of the hair grease. So I say all of that to say that you're getting a lot of bang for your buck. Also, you guys, let me just jump to the yummy part. This hair grease smells so delicious. It smells a whole lot better than the Indian Hemp hair grease in their line. As you guys can see, I have gone in and begun to use this hair grease. I did use it when I installed these braids. This time what I did was not apply the hair grease directly to my hair, but I did apply it directly to my scalp because girl trying to grow her hair, we just go see how it go. So that's why you see some of this has been used already. The main purpose of this product, oh, by the way, this is purple. If you guys are wondering the color, I think the color is magnificent. I like that color of this hair grease. But the purpose of this particular hair grease, it is to condition the hair and the scalp, okay? This is considered to be their mega growth therapy. Listen, I'm all for it. Mega grow? Come on now. Mega grow hair therapy, your girl down for it all day. Also, it is supposed to strengthen your hair and your scalp. So, sounds really good. And I'm hoping that it does everything that it says it is meant for. Hope it does everything that it says that it does. I hope it truly delivers. One thing that I don't remember seeing on the Wonder Grow Indian Hemp Grease, but I did notice it on the Jamaican Black Castor Oil. There is an expiration date. I'm not sure if my camera is going to focus on it, but it says that this hair grease is good up until September 2023. So if your girl go use this up, she better use it up ASAP, because September will be here before you know. This product is extremely easy to use. It says that apply it directly to your hair and your scalp. Okay, but like I told you guys, this time I only just applied it to my scalp because it says it is a hair growth therapy. So I am really focusing on my scalp. Not so sure, you know, I got another moisturizer actually on my hair when I installed these sprays, but definitely wanted to make sure I got this hair grease on. There were a lot of awesome reviews about this particular product in the Wonder Grow brand. I saw that a lot of people saw some great benefits of using this particular hair grease. So y'all, I'm so excited. I'm going to take you guys along with me again on my journey of using this hair grease. Y'all know your girl probably going to give you about a month's update, give or take. We'll see. I just want to say these are new braids that I've installed. So we're going to see if we have any new growth within a week or two time. We will just see how it goes. But I'm so excited to take you guys along with me on my journey of using the Wonder Grow Jamaican Black Castor Oil. We're going to see if it stands up to all those positive reviews that I saw online. That concludes today's video. If you've used any of Wonder Grow hair grease, tell me, did you have a good experience? How was it for you, child? Let me know. And I'll see you tubes in the next one. Smooches.